Hey everyone, Random Randy here, and I am just about to do the random comment picker for my Weight Crochet Slay Goodies giveaway. I've already plugged in the thing, and there are 227 comments, which is amazing since the video had less than 600 views. So here we go. And there's the winner, Robin Proctor. Robin said, "When it's warm out, I love to stay in the pool all day and float. I can't wait for summer." So congratulations, Robin. Get in touch with me either through YouTube Messenger or over in the Facebook group, and I will find a way to get you your prize. Thanks so much, everybody, for entering, and thank you to all of the new subscribers. Stick around, and I hope you continue to enjoy the content. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.